How can you open up multiple images into Photoshop as separate layers? Of course, you can open up multiple images in Photoshop. Here I have multiple photos opened up in different tabs in Photoshop. I want them to be all on the same document as different layers. One way to do this is just to select everything, copy it, go to the next file, and then paste it. Here you can see now I have multiple layers. But that's a lot of work and seems really inefficient. There's got to be a better way to open up multiple images inside a single Photoshop document as layers. And there is. If you go to File, Scripts, Load Files into Stack, then browse on your computer, find your files, shift-click the files you want to open up into Photoshop, select Open. It also gives you an option to attempt to automatically align the source images, and then press OK. Now you automatically have all of those images loaded up into an individual Photoshop document with layers. This is much faster than trying to go through and open up and copy and paste your layers. Hopefully this allows you to open up multiple photos into a single Photoshop document as layers very quickly.